Hello students. There are four types of speech that we have in our syllabus of English. Number one is welcome speech. Number two is introduction of a guest. Number three is vote of thanks speech and farewell speech. So out of this today we will talk about or we will discuss about how to write or how to deliver welcome speech. Remember, welcome speech is the first speech of any event that you would be delivering or writing in examination. So, how to write or how to deliver welcome speech and how to prepare for it, first of all. See, when you are given a responsibility of writing or delivering welcome speech, you must thoroughly understand and gain the information about the event, about the guest, about the audience, about venue, because all these things are going to be very useful in writing or delivering your welcome speech. So how to start about it? First of all, as soon as the mic is given to you by the anchor, you must begin with something attractive, something very effective that will grab the attention of audience. You can start with a story, you can start with any anecdote, you can start with any kind of comparison, you can start something which is very important, and sometimes it might be very scary, sometimes very startling, surprising, but relevant to the event or the occasion, so that the audience should understand, so should relate with you, and they should be interested in what you are going to say. And then you can introduce very formally about yourself also and welcome them very formally. For example, imagine that there is one event called Talent Search in Government Polytechnic Thane, and you are given a chance to deliver welcome speech. So how would you go about? The tip that I shared, based on that I would give you the exact specimen how to go about. As soon as a mic is given to you, uh, there are so many people, so many young students, they are having good ideas, innovative ideas, but they do not get a platform to showcase and present their ideas. And Government Polytechnic Thane came in front of, so that every individual who is having a good idea can get a platform to showcase and share his idea through this particular event called Young Minds. And yes, I am here, Mr. Ram Patil, lecturer in English, to welcome you all very formally on behalf of Government Polytechnic Thane and the committee which is organizing this event. So this is how you can begin with a bang, so that the audience attention can be grabbed. Now what next you can talk about in welcome speech? You can talk about the different activities involved in that event, starting from the welcome speech or maybe the inauguration, and then how the event will progress. You can talk step by step in a very nutshell that what are the different activities, so that the people should be aware about how it will go on. Obviously there would be a brochure, there will be a pamphlet, but if you talk very formally about the different activities involved, that would be better. Next, you can talk about why this particular event is organized. You can talk about its purpose, you can talk about its importance, you can talk about its history, that who started that particular event with what purpose in his or her mind. We can talk about the success of that particular event, so that the people will be very very serious about that event and they will participate accordingly. So this is how you can write in welcome speech and deliver in welcome speech. You can also mention the success stories, or you can bring the people, those who became successful out of the event on the DS, so that you can actually show the audience that how that particular event Young Mind helped the people who are on the DS to get benefited out of the event itself, and how they got benefited out of the chance that they got through that event. So this will again relate the audience with the event that you have organized. You can welcome all the guests, all the audience, delegates, reporters if they are available. You can also welcome the students, those who are listening over there. You can also welcome the parents if they are available in the crowd. So very formally you must take into consideration everyone and welcome them very formally on behalf of the college as well as the committee that is organizing it. So you must mention their names also. You can also talk about the particular guest and the particular judges why they are invited for the occasion. For example, if the event is Young Mind, which gives platform to all the people to present their ideas, and that idea can be converted into a full-fledged business. And for such event, if you have invited any industrialist, any person, any entrepreneur who became very successful, or anyone who has gained name and fame out of the event itself, so the people will come to know that how this particular event is really sincere and very serious about what they are doing. So you can also mention the importance of this particular organization. You can also mention about the people behind it, the people who have worked or are working for the success of this event. And finally, you can end your speech uh, by wishing all the success and good luck to all the participants and the activities of that event. And then you can hand over the mic to the anchor. So this is how I gave you few tips about how to go for welcome speech. You can write based on whatever I said. You can write your welcome speech in examination, or you can start preparing your own welcome speech to be delivered at any occasion. It may be your college, it may be your colony, it may be your cooperative housing society, and for any occasion, any event. It may be Teachers Day celebration, Engineers Day celebration, or maybe technical paper presentation, or maybe birth or death anniversary of any leader. But if you are given a chance to write a welcome speech, or if you are given a chance to deliver a welcome speech, please go ahead and grab the opportunity. I wish you all the best. Thank you.